Hello, friends. Welcome to Communication Skills for Everyone. So, in this video, let us learn effective writing skills. So, in this video, what are the types of writing? What are the features of writing? What is the writing process? And spotting errors we will discuss. So let us move to the introduction to effective writing skills. Effective writing skills are essential for clear communication in academic, professional, and personal context. These skills encompass understanding different types of writing, recognizing features that make writing effective, and following processes that enhance writing quality. So, writing can be categorized into several types, each serving different purposes and audiences. Understanding these types helps tailor the writing approach to suit the context. First one, narrative writing. Writing can be categorized into narrative. It tells a story or recount events. So, events are presented in the sequence they occurred, which is called chronological order, or using descriptive language like vivid descriptions to create mental images, elements like characters, setting, plot, conflict, and resolution. Second one, descriptive writing. The main purpose of it is to describe a person, place, thing, or event in detail. So, main characteristics include sensory details like engage the senses like sight, sound, touch, taste, smell, and use of similes and metaphors like this is called figurative language, and using strong adjectives and adverbs to enhance descriptions. Third one, expository writing. Expository writing is to inform, explain, or describe a topic or content, an idea. So it should be organized into introduction, body, conclusion, and it must have clear logical structure, and it is factual, unbiased, like objective tone. It can be used like a facts, statistics, and examples to support explanations. And persuasive writing. Persuasive writing main purpose is to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint. So it must clearly position or thesis, like the writer's stance is clearly stated, and logical arguments should be supported by evidence, appeals to emotion and reason, like persuasive techniques to influence the reader. So here reader may take an action, like it may be any action, but he has to take an action. That's what it's called, persuasive writing. And the last one, analytical writing. Analytical writing is to analyze and interpret information or given content or literature. So mainly it requires critical thinking, like evaluating and breaking down information into categories, and detailed examination of component, like it is in-depth analysis of the given topic, supporting evidence, cited sources to back up analysis, and all that. It can be done in analytical writing. Next, moves to the features of effective writing. Regardless of the type, effective writing shares certain features. So, first one, clarity. So, writing should be clear and easily understood. So, use simple language to make your writing clear, and avoid jargon and complex words. Ensure logical flow of ideas. That's what organize your thoughts coherently. Second one, coherence. So, ideas should be logically connected in the paragraph. So use transition words or linking words and phrases so that guide the reader through the text. Maintain a consistent structure, logical sequence of ideas. Third one, conciseness. So this is convey the message in as few words as possible without losing its meaning. So making it precise, avoid redundancy, like eliminate unnecessary words. Don't repeat the same words continuously. Be direct and to the point. Focus on essential information. Focus on important information so that you can maintain consciousness. Next, accuracy. Accuracy ensure factual correctness and precision in details. So verify facts and data before you Write something, check sources for accuracy, use precise language, avoid vague expressions, and the last one, engagement. Writing should be captivate and hold the reader's interest. So reader should not move to other direction or should not skip reading. Use varied sentence structures like simple, complex, compound, simple, complex, compound. Avoid monotony. Include interesting details and examples. Make the text more appealing, interesting to the readers. Next, move to the writing process. Effective writing is a process that involves several stages. Each stage or phase is crucial for developing a polished piece of writing. The first one, pre-writing. So the purpose is to plan and organize thoughts before writing. So it may include like brainstorming, right? Brainstorming, what happens? You generate ideas related to the given topic, related to the topic, and researching, gather information and evidence. So whatever the ideas you collected it through brainstorming, maybe you get evidence to support your argument. Outlining, create a structure outline of main points. So all these things done in pre-writing stage. Pre-writing stage, brainstorming, researching and outlining. Second one, writing. Writing is to drop the initial version of the text. Writing is initial version of the dropped. So yeah, dropping, dropped, right, first dropped based on the outline, because outline already you have done in the pre-writing stage. So you are dropping you and stick to the main points and thesis statement. Developing, expanding ideas with supporting details. It can be done in writing stage. The third one, rewriting or editing or proofreading. This is also can be done. The purpose of is to refine the draft into a final version, because you have written the draft, so maybe you can revise it, refine it further. So editing, so here you improve the content, structure and style. Maybe you can check for clarity, coherence and conciseness, enhance word choice and sentence variety. So you can check all these things as part of editing. And next one, proofreading. Proofreading, you can correct grammar, punctuation, and if you find any spelling errors, and spot and fix typos and mistakes, ensure proper formatting. You have to ensure all these things under proofreading stage. And the next one, spotting errors. Errors in writing can undermine its effectiveness. Spotting and correcting these errors is essential for producing polished writing. So under this first one, grammar. So here you may find certain common errors like subject verb agreement. So ensure subjects and verbs match in number. Next, tense consistency. Maintain the same tense throughout the writing. Pronoun reference. Make sure pronouns clearly refer to the correct nouns. This or one. And read sentences aloud to check for agreement. Be mindful of tense shifts. Use antecedents clarity clearly, so that you can avoid grammar mistakes. Next one, punctuation. So punctuation here, comma splices. Avoid joining two independent clauses with a comma. Misplaced semicolon. Use semicolons to connect closely related ideas. And apostrophe misuse. Correctly indicate possession and contractions. So here you can break up pronoun sentences, use semicolons and colons correctly, learn the rules for apostrophes. These are the things you can be done in the pronunciation. And next one, common spelling mistakes. So under this, homophones, confused words that sound the same but have different meanings. Similarly, double letters, misspell words with repeated letters like accommodation, C and M repeated twice. Irregular spellings, misspell words that do not follow standard spelling rules. So what are the rules for this tips? We can say use spell check tools, keep a list of commonly misspelled words, proofread carefully for the context. That can be done. And effective writing skills involve understanding different types of writing, recognizing the features that enhance writing, following a structured writing process, and being vigilant in spotting and correcting errors. Developing these skills takes practice and attention to detail, but the effort leads to clear, concise, and engaging communication. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, communication skills for everyone for more academic and educational videos.